Do you want to strengthen your abs, your core, but you are short on time? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now, I have got a short Pilates class that is really all about the center of our body. We're going to target our abdominal muscles, which can help support our body, keep us feeling stronger and happier each and every day. This is a fast-moving class, so I would not call it a beginner class, probably more of an intermediate, maybe even a little bit advanced for some of us, but it's nice and short and you can always modify. Roll out your mat, let's get started. Go ahead and arrive on your mat and lay down. Take your hands away from your body and fan open your fingertips, pushing the palms into the ground. Think about pushing the back of your shoulders into the ground and then push the low back down as well, feeling the back of the body really hold and support you. Wrap the tummy muscles in, keep your nose pointing to the sky. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, pick up your right knee, bringing it directly over the hip if we can, and a 90-degree angle in the knee. Set the leg down. Exhale, pick up your opposite leg. Drop it down. Exhale, pick up your right leg. Drop it down. Exhale, pick up the left leg. As you lift and lower, notice if any of the body parts that we initially turned on as a spot to support has relaxed. Can you continue to use the ground as a little helpful supporting spot? Our low back is still maintaining connection with the mat. Our whole spine should feel held and supported beneath us. 2 more just like that. Exhale, pick it up. Drop it down. Exhale, lift. This time, reach your right leg up. Reach your left leg up. Now pick up your right leg, hold it right there. Flex the foot, drive the foot away from the body. Hold it in place. Now, I could take my leg even lower, but I'm going to start to arch my back. So I only want us to drop our foot so low that our low back doesn't arch. Take a full big inhale. Exhale, pull the knee back in, push it away. Exhale, pull the knee back in, push it away. Maybe press down into your your left foot a little more, keeping that left knee stable, no wiggle wobbling. Bring the knee forward, push it away. Every time I push my foot away, I squeeze my thigh butt connection point a little bit more. Every time I pull the knee in, I cinch the waist, I wrap the tummy in. 2 more. Now this time, bring the knee back in, pause, navel to spine, chest open. You can point the toe, you can flex it, whatever feels good. We're going to bicycle our foot around. So lift the toe up, bicycle around for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go forward. Keep stomping into the floor with the left foot. No wiggle wobbling on that left side. Last one. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your foot to the sky. If there's a bend in your knee, that's okay. If we can fully elongate it, that's great too. Take your left hand to your left hip so we know what's happening there. Your right leg is going to move over to the side. We'll drop it down to that nice low spot we already did. Exhale, pull it up. So it's like you're making a half circle. Inhale, down and around. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, down and around. Exhale, lift it up. Is your left hip moving? Can you keep it completely and still? Open, down and around, exhale, lift. Open, down and around, exhale, lift. For 3 and 2, last one, reverse. So we go down, open out, pull it up. Down, open out, pull it up. And again, if we have a little bend in the knee, certainly not the end of the world. I am trying to keep a nice long straight leg, activating all the muscles throughout the entire leg. Wrap the tummy in a little bit more as we do so. 3 more. 2. Last one. Hold, take a big breath, reach your toe a little higher, wrap the tummy in, stomp down into your left foot. Give me 5 tiny circles of our lifted leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, reverse, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, last time, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause, right leg down, pick up the left leg, give the foot a flex and push it away. Again, only take the heel so low that we don't arch the back. I think about pulling my pubic bone up towards my navel, keeping my chest open, bend the knee back, push it away. Bend the knee back, push it away. Squeeze your thud as you push the foot away, cinch the waist as you return the knee. And take that at your own pace. Envision that you're moving through peanut butter. It would be so hard to push and pull our leg through peanut butter, through quicksand. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Now bring the knee back to its starting place. Pause. Again, you can point the toe, you can flex it. But we're going to start to bicycle around for 5, 4, keep turning on the leg, reaching it so far away. 2, 1, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go forward, no wiggle wobbling on your right side. Keep extending the leg. It's like someone is pulling your ankle away from your body. Last time, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift the foot to the sky. Take your right hand to your right hip so we know that it doesn't move away from the mat. Slide the leg open, drop it down and around, exhale, swing it up. Slide it open, drop it down and around, exhale, lift it up. Open, bring it down and around, exhale, lift. Open, down, around, exhale, lift. For 3, 2, last one, reverse, down, swim it open, back to center. Inhale, reach, slide it open, back to center. Down, around, return. Down, around, return for 3 and 2. Last one. Keep your toe up to the sky, tummy in, shoulders open, tiny circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Reverse. Make sure you're not tensing through your jaw, through your chest. Pause. You can always smile or make a silly face to relieve some of that tension. Pause last time and really think about using your abdominal muscles. Send that tension down to your core. Hold it right there, pause. Set your foot on the floor. Take a big inhale, pick up your right leg. Exhale, pick up your left leg. Cinch the inner thighs together. Press the low back down. Take a great big inhale, tap your right toe to the floor. We're gonna quickly change without arching our back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together, navel in, left leg down, belly button pulls in, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together, right leg down, switch again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, both legs together. Last time, left leg down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold both legs together again. Flex your feet, shoulders down, tummy in. Push your right foot away. Hold it right there. Drop it a little lower. Really use your abdominal muscles. Take a big inhale. Exhale, switch. Pause, navel to spine. Push the heel away. Pull the toes up towards your kneecap. Big inhale. Switch. Hold. Great big inhale. Exhale, switch. Hold. Navel to spine. Switch. Exhale, switch. Switch. 2 more. Even it out right and left. both knees in. Navel to spine, chest open. Toes can point, reach the hands behind the head. Full big inhale, curl head and chest up. Navel pulls in. It's like I'm folding from the sternum, looking over the kneecaps. Your toes can be pointed, flexed, soft, whatever works for you. But I want you to straighten your left leg away. Take a full big inhale. Bring your left shoulder to your right knee. Look forward again. Left shoulder to right knee. Look forward again. Exhale, big twist. Let it go. Exhale, big twist. Let it go. Last big twist. Take a full big inhale. Big sigh out. Look forward. Bring your left knee in. Stretch your right leg away. Same thing. Big twist. And return. It's like your shoulder's trying to peel off of the ground. It's less important to me where your elbow is going, especially because usually if we start to pull that elbow towards the knee, everyone kind of curls in and we just crane the neck instead of using our abdominal muscles to take that twist. Twist and release. Last one, big twist. Hold. Full big inhale. Big breath out. Look forward, bring both knees in. Full big breath. 5 tiny curl ups, tiny mini crunches. Exhale up, inhale mini drop. Exhale lift, mini drop. Exhale up and down. 2 more, little up, little down. Last one, little up. Reach your fingertips over your knees. Reach past your knees, take a big inhale. Exhale, drop them down to the right. Inhale up, exhale down to the left. Inhale up, swim them to the right. Inhale, lift, swim into the left. Inhale up, exhale left, right. Reach it up, exhale left. Last one to the right. Last one to the left. Come back to center, hands behind the head. Again, 5 micro crunches. Exhale, tiny lift, tiny lower. Tiny lift, tiny lower. For 3, 2, last one. Both hands by your sides. Take a full big inhale, flex your feet. Stretch your right leg, pull it in. Stretch your left leg, pull it in. Push and pull. Push and pull. 3 and 2. Last one. Now big fun challenge, 5 times. Both legs away, both legs in. Both legs away, both legs in. 3, 2, last one. Feet down, head and chest down. Reach your hands overhead, heel toe your feet apart, knock the knees together, and take an easy sway side to side. Maybe we get a few little pops through our back there. Coming back to center, heel toe the feet back in line with the hips. I like to keep my hands over my head for this one. If you want to bring it by your side, that's great. But just roll up into a little bridge. This is less about our glute engagement. Instead, it's more about opening up through the front of the hips. Really think about your psoas trying to push up to the sky. If we arch our back more like we're in a yoga bridge rather than a Pilates bridge, I'm okay with that. Full big inhale. Big breath out. From the sternum, roll 1 vertebra at a time, all the way down to the ground. Again, heel to the feet a little wider. Take your sway side to side. Roll to one side. Push yourself up to a seat. As always, my friend, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our lovely core building workout, and I cannot wait to see you again.